This is a puzzle called Outnumbered by AnalyticalNinja. They've been doing quite a few, or they've been doing a few 4x4 puzzles recently over the past like week or so, and I've been enjoying them. So yeah, might as well give this one a try too. Let's take a look at the rules. Oh, I got this puzzle from the Sudoku testing submissions channel of the CTC community Discord. So yeah, go check that place out if you like doing Sudokus. Rules, a regular Sudoku. So normally there's 2x2 squares here as the regions, but instead there are these kind of L shapes. So this is one set of the digits 1 through 4, so we can't repeat. This can't be a 4 and this a 4. This is one set of the digits 1 through 4, as is each of these. Cells a knight's move apart in chess can't contain identical digits, so this is the anti-knight constraint. So if this cell is a 3, then these cells can't be 3s because uh, a knight moves over 1 and then up 2, or up 2 and then over 1, or up 1 and then over 2. Moves 1 in one direction and then 2 perpendicular to that. So that's the case for all 3 of these. So none of these could be 3s. And then the indicated diagonals have the same sum. So this one, then this one, and then this one down here. Yep, looks good. I'll put a link to the puzzle down in the description. And if you want to give it a try, yeah, go for it. I don't think this will probably be too difficult, but if you're not familiar with this type of stuff, maybe it will be harder. Uh, but yeah, let me give it a try. So the first thing I see is, where can this cell go in column 1? Well, it can't go in the same region, so it must go down here. So now, can I figure out which of the... Oh yeah, so now where in row 2 can pink go? Well, these are the options initially, but then these two are knights moves away from each other, so this can't be pink. So now, then we can just put in the last digit there. And I think it's going to be the same going along the other diagonal. So dark green here, where can dark green go in row 4? Can't go in the same region, so it must go down in the corner. And then where in row 2 can green go? Well, it can't go here because of the columns. It can't go here because of the anti-knight move, so it goes here. And then this is the last spot in the box, or in the full puzzle that it can go. So it looks like the question mark is going to be a multiple of 4. And I don't think it can be, this is probably not worth it. I don't know. Might be a little early to be thinking about this. Maybe not. This couldn't be 1s, because if this was 1s, oh no, maybe this could be 2 and 2. Yeah, maybe that would work. I was thinking this would have to be 1 and 3, but this is a regular Sudoku, so this is not one set of the digits 1 to 4. Yeah. Okay, so maybe it could be 4. It couldn't be 16. Like if all these were 4, then the question mark would be 16, and this wouldn't be fillable. 3s would be 9. This wouldn't be fillable. So this is either 1 or 2. And I guess, yeah, so let's keep coloring. I think that's the best thing to do. This is yellow. So where can yellow go in this region? It can't go here and here because it's not green or pink. Can't go here by knight's move, so it must go here. Then it can't go here by just the column, so it goes here and then here. And then these last digits are all the same. So this yellow must be double green, so this is 2 or 4. If green is 1, then yellow's 2. And now we need to figure this out. So if this is 1, if green is 1, then blue... If green is 1, then the question mark is 4. These would have to add up to 3, which is not possible. We can't do 1.5. So this has to be 2. This must be 4. These have to add up to 8 in total, because that's what the question mark is. 8 minus 2 is 6, divided by 2 is 3. And that leaves 1 remaining here. And there we have it. Pretty easy puzzle. But first thing on a Monday morning, we needed a pretty easy puzzle. So thank you to Analytical Ninja for that puzzle. It's probably like a 1.5 out of 5 at the highest. Not that that's a bad thing. Sometimes when I'm I feel like when I'm saying difficulties, I'm like saying it in a condescending tone. I do not mean to do that. Um, because this was a great puzzle. I really enjoyed solving this puzzle and figuring out the different combinations. But then the way they said, well, it's maybe only a 1.5 out of 5. Like, no, I'm not trying to be. I'm not a very good solver, so I like these easy puzzles that are fun. Um, yeah, so anyway, thank you, Analytical Ninja, for the puzzle, and thank you all for watching.